Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, we are back with the results of the close-up coins game. Thank you for everyone for playing along. And we're going to see who managed to get all of them correct at the end of the video. So the sample was the NHS 50p coin, and then we had 5 Beatrix Potter 50p's to work out. So let's get on with them. Coin number 1 then. Here we go. Again, old Beatrix Potter, 50p's. We start off with the Miss Tittlemaus. Coin number 2, the most valuable in the coin set so far. It is the Jemima Puddoduck. What a beauty. Coin number 3 then, a little bit more difficult. This one then was indeed that of the Benjamin Bunny. We move on to coin number 4, the joint rarest in the set. We've got ourselves a 2018 Flopsy Bunny. And finally, the infamous himself. It's the TOG, it's the Tailor of Gloucester. A huge shout out then to Ian Ritchie, Ian Strudwick, Cortinas and Classics, Smithy7890, Steve Ufton, Squirreling Coins, Andy Vickers, Francisco Pizzo, and also Blistering Barnacles Magnets. This round definitely a little bit easier than we have done in the past, so things will be heating up. We'll get another one of these out a little bit later on, and they are going to start getting that little bit more difficult. I know this one definitely not everyone's favourite games, but some of you do love it, so we will keep it up on the channel. And don't forget, if you've got a coin game at home, you'd like to see it on the channel, let us know in the comments, and we'll get playing your game for you. Again, let us know what game you'd like to see coming up next. Stay safe, and as always, guys,